Hello, it's Lemon72H again, just showing you a video of a graffiti piece that I drew for my best friend Shannon, and it says his tag haze, and yeah, that's it. And there's one more piece I'm doing on a canvas. It's not very good, but it's good enough. Okay, and one more thing I gotta show you. I just recently got a really cool book. It's called the Subway Graffiti Sketchbook. It has these straps. You pull them up, and then you open up the book, and it has all these chains to do graffiti on. They're pretty cool. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and friend request us. Don't have a lot of friends, so please